Alright, it's 8 p.m. Even though there's no one, we can start now. Can you can you listen to my voice? Can you listen to me?
Yes.
Okay. So sorry. Okay, today we are talking about indices, sort, and logarithm. So I have done this since the last week, and today will be the second class. And for the recap, last week we talked about indices, sort, and logarithm, and we introduced about the law of indices. So let's check some law indices. So at the first, we have a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. This is the first law of indices. So the second one is the same but divide equal to a to the power of m minus n. And the third one is when you have power of something and then you power that something again, you will get a to the power of m multiplied by n. And this is minus n. Wait, n. Okay. And then a to the power of 0 is 1. Yeah, that's it. And last week we also talked about how to convert the recurring decimals into a single fraction. For example, I will do a very quick example here, such as 0.1616161616 dot dot dot. This means that it's going forever. This can be written with 0.16 with the two dots above. This means that this 1 and 6 is repeating. So now what we're going to do, we're going to multiply by 10. I mean 100. So 0.1616 dot 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 multiplied by 100. This will be equal to 16.161616. This will be equation 2, and this will be equation 1. So now we have this. We just need to equation 2 minus equation 1. And what we get? This this 16 minus this 16 minus this thing. And then we can see that the 1616 cancel out each other. So we know that, wait, I forgot to equate it to some variable. Sorry, let's try that again. Let's try it again. We let a equal to 0.161616, and then 100a, this is equation 1, equal to 16.161616, and this equation 2, and we need to 2 minus 1. If we do so, this and that will cancel each other. And now we also get 16a. I mean, it's 100a. So look at the left side, is 100a minus a, we get 99a. And this minus this, we just get 16. So we get that a equal to 16 over 99. And clearly this can be simplified by, wait, okay, this cannot be simplified. So this will be the simplest form. So any questions before I move to logarithm, which is our main, which our current thing we need to learn today. So any questions? You can tell on chat if you don't want to talk. Alright. So now we will continue at logarithm. So since I afraid you all have struggled on the indices part, so I will do some exercise but really quick. So today we will play this game. The textbook give already is where, what page again? Let me check which page.
Ninety-five. 95.
It's page 95 in your textbook. Okay, so now let's play this game, but very quickly. Alright, let me get my pen first. What just happened? Okay. Okay, so first we start from here. 3 to the power n minus 2, 3 to the power n minus 2 multiplied by 27 to the power of what? And equal to 1 over 81. Now, this is very complicated. We need everybody, we need the base of everything to be 3. So let's do that. This will be the same, 3 to the power n minus 2. And what is 27? Is 3 to the third, right? And also to the power by n. But remember that a the power m, when you raise this to another power, you multiply it. This will become mn, which is m times n, the same thing. So this will be just 3n. And then equal to, what is 81? We know that 81 is also 3 to the power of 4, right? But since it's the reciprocal of 1, it's the reciprocal, we can also be written as 3 to the power negative 4. Because it's 1 divided by that number, we can write it as the negative. So now look at this. We have the same base, which this can be this is doable. So remember that a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So this is equal to this plus this plus this, n minus 2 plus 3n. So n minus 2 plus 3n and equal to 3 to the power negative 4. And by comparing, this n minus this n plus 3n is 4n, minus 2 equal negative 4, and 4n equal negative 2, And what is n? We just divide 4 equal negative 1 over 2. Negative 1 over 2. Okay, that's it. So we go to here. Okay, 4x plus 3. 4 to the x plus 3 minus what? Minus or plus? Okay. Minus 4 to the x plus 2 equal to 3. Okay, this may look complicated, but it's actually not complicated after I show you this. So look at this, plus 3 and plus 2. We don't want them. How come? If 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 we can remove this, we can factorize the 2, we can factorize the 4 to the power x, and then everything will be simple. So let's do it. So we know that a to the power m plus n is just equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. So now we're just going to separate the x and 3. We separate x and 3. Okay. 4 to the power x multiplied by 4 to the cube minus 4 to the power x with 4 square. And this will get us 3. And then we'll get 64. And 4 cube we will get 16. Now we have this right here. What do we do next? 64 minus 16. Look at this. This is the same thing. You can look at this as one variable. You can look at 4 to the power x as one variable, like s and y. Yeah, whatever. After you do this, you can minus the 60, 64 and 16, and this becomes 48. And then now, we're just going to divide both sides by 48. 4 to the power x equal to 3 to the power 48. And when you simplify, this will become 1 over 16. So we know that 16 is 4 square, right? But it is the reciprocal. So what we can do, we can make it negative. So 4 to the power x equal to 4 to the power negative 2, and x equal to negative 2. Pretty simple. Okay. So negative 2.
I
So
don't
here.
understand.
Now this 2 to 25 x plus 2. 25 to x plus 2 equal to what? 1 over 625 to the power of x. And we check is it correct? X plus 2. Okay, good. This 25, let me write it better. Okay. So now it's the same thing. We need to separate the x and 2. So 25 to the power x. But first, I think we have more important thing to do. Look at the base 25 and 625. So every time we look at the question, we must look at the base first, and then we solve this thing. So we know that 25 is 5 square, and 625 is 5 to the power of 4, because 125 plus 5 is 4. Okay, so now we have this. When we have raised by the law of indices, this can be multiplied by this. So 5 2 times x plus 2, and this 4x will become negative because it is the reciprocal. So now look at this. This and that same. You can just write that. 2x plus 4 equal to negative 4x. So 6x will equal to negative 4. X will be negative 4 over 3, 2 over 3. X will be negative 2 over 3. That's the answer. Okay, so over 3 go there. So now we solve this. 2 divided by 4 to the power x minus 1. So the number 4 I write here. Okay. 2 divide 4 to the power of x minus 1 equal to what? Equal to what? Equal to 16 to the power of 2x. 16 to the power of 2x. Okay, so now let's write this in a simpler form first. We don't want this divide, so we just write as fraction form equal to 16 to the power of 2x. Now look at the base. This is 2, this is 4, this is 16. We just let everything become 2. So it will be easier for us to solve. And now, this is 2 square x minus 1. Similarly, 16 is 2 to the power of 4 because 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Okay, so now everything is 2 now. What do we do? Now this is actually 1. It didn't, even though it didn't show us, this is actually to the power of 1. Anything to the power of 1 is that original number. Like 10 to the power of 1 is 10. So if we divide 2, if we divide something, like divide this and this, based on not indices, we just minus. So what are you going to do? 2, 1 minus, this is 2x, this is negative 2, equal to 2 to the power of 8x. Okay, so 2 to the power of 1 minus 2x plus 2 equal to 2 to the power of 8x. So this is the same. We can compare them now. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2x plus 3 equal to 8x. Wait. Negative, this is negative, sorry. So 10x will become 3 because we move this 2x other side, and x will be 3 over 10. And that's the answer, 3 over 10. Okay, we go here. Okay, look at this. This is look hard, but it is not. So number 5, I'll write here. Number 5. What? Okay, 5 to the what again? 5 to the n plus 1. N plus 1 minus 5 to the n plus 1. Minus 5 to the n plus 5 to the power n minus 1 equal to 105. Double check. Okay, it was correct. Okay, now look at this. We have this, and this. But everything is base 5, which is perfect for us. So now, first we're just going to distribute the 5. So 5 to the power n is multiplied by 5, and minus 5 to the power n, and plus 5 to the power n, and then minus 1, so it's 1 over 5. And this is still equal to 105. No need to bracket. Okay, so look at this. I want you to look differently this time. Look at this 5 to the power n, look at this, and look at this. Now we're going to look this as a variable. So for me, I will just directly, I just know. But for you all, I will just let 5 to the power n equal to a, because probably it's easier for you. So this is a times 5 minus this is a, n plus a, but multiply 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 a is equal to 1 over 5. So now we just add everything lah. 5 minus 1 plus 1 over 5. Okay, we get 21 over 5 equal, forgot the a, equal to 105. 105. And then
A.
what is A? We just divide 105 by this. We got 25. And what is A again? What is A again? 5 to the power n. So we can write as 5 to the power n equal to 25. We know that 5 squared is 5 squared is 25, right? So we can just write n equal to 2. Very simple. So 2. Okay, go here. Okay, for next one, number 6. 32 to the power of 4x equal to 4 to the power of 8x plus 6. Let's double check if it's correct. Okay, correct. Okay, now let's solve this. Still the same. Different base. We just make them to the power of 2. So this is 2 to the power of 5 to the power of 4x equal to 2 square to the power of 8x plus 6. And based on law of indices, this multiplied by this, and this 2 multiplied by this. So 2 times 5 times 4 is 20, and the x equal to 2 to the power of 16x plus 12. And now look at this. These are equal, separate because same base. So these two, and this, when these are different, we can equal them. So now, comparing, 20x equal to 16x plus 12. This go to there, 4x equal to 12, x equal 3. Simple. Okay. If you have any question, feel free to stop me. Because I'm going pretty fast, I want to explain some logarithms. So now, look at this. 4 to the 2x minus 1 equals 64x. 7. 4 to the 2x minus 1 equals 64x. We raise them. We look at this. Now this 4 and this 16. Different base. We're just going to make them the same base. 2 square. 64 is 2 to the power of 6. Yeah. And now we just this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. So to the power of 4x minus 2 equal to 2 to the power of 6x. And same base, but they're different. We can compare. So 4x minus 2 equal to 6x. And x equal to 1. Not so fast. 2x equal to 2, x equal to 1. Negative 1. Sorry, because 4 minus 6 is negative 2. So negative x equal to 1, x equal to negative 1. Okay, let's see where's negative 1. Okay, so now we solve this. 16 to 2x minus 3. 16 to the 2x minus 3 equal to 8 to the power of 4x. Thank you, Yongkang. Okay, so now look at this different base. And we're going to make this the same base, which is 2, and 2 to the power of 16 to the power of 4, and 8 is 2 cubed. And based on law of indices, this multiplied by this, and this multiplied by this. So nearly everything does the same. So 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 3 is 12, equal to the power of 12x. Okay, so now let's equate the upper part. This equal to this. So 8x minus 12 equal to 12x. So 4x equal to 12, x equal to 3 again. Wait, minus. Alamak, why I always so careless? Negative 3. Okay, so let's check if negative 3 exists. Negative 3. Okay, good. So now we solve this. I know we can just finish that, but I need to solve this first. Yeah. Uh, 2 to the power x plus 4. Okay. Number 9. 2 to the power x plus 4 minus 2 to the power x plus 3 equal to 1. Okay, so now we go, it's the same. We're going to distribute the x and 4, separate the x and 4 and the 3 because they are annoying. And once we separate them, everything will be look so simple. So this will be just 2 to the power 4 minus 2 to the power x multiplied by 2 to the power 3 go to 1. Okay, and then this 2 to the power 4 is 16 and 2 to the power 3 is 8. Okay, so now we look this as variable. Don't think about anything. 16 minus 8 is 8. So 8 equal to 1. So this go to, so when we divide both sides by 8, 2 to the power x equal to 1 over 8. And 8 is what? 8 is 2 to the power third, but it's the reciprocal, so we need to get negative. 2x equal to the power negative 3. And this same, these two same, x equal to negative 3 again. And we solved it. We go finish. So any question? Is there any question you don't understand? Can I just let 1 equal to 2 to the power 0? A bit too complex if I use this way. Actually we cannot, because look at this. 1 equal to 2 to the power 0. This 4 and this 3, you cannot divide, you cannot really divide anything. If you want to do this, unless they multiply each other, so that this 0 can be used. So do you understand? Where did you get negative 3? Okay, where I get negative 3 is basically just from here, from this step. 2 to the power x equal to 1 over 8, 2x equal to 2 cubed. And then this is the reciprocal. 2 to the power 3 is 1 over 1 over that number, so we need to get the negative. So after that, same base, but the top different. This means that this is equal to this, and x is equal to negative 3. So clear? Okay, thank you. Alright, let's move on to the logarithm part. Okay, so now I'm going to recap by teaching you all how to prove the log a plus b, log a b equal to log a plus b again. So let x let x equal to a to the power m and y equal to a to the power n. By law of indices, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal to a to the power of m plus n, right? But when we take both sides to the log of base a, we take the log of a, log base a, a log m times a to the power n equal to log a to the power m plus n. And we know that this and this just cancel, because when you have log a base something like log 10, this just cancel. Like how to explain? is the same like this. Let's say an example. Log 10, because I'm going to show you how the logarithm works first. So log a b equal to c. So a to the power of c equal to b. So when it's the same thing, when a and b is the same thing, a to the power of c equal to a, and we can clearly know that c is equal to 1, because there is no way if c equal to 0 this would become to 1, if c equal to 2 this would become a squared. So what power something we get the same number? It's clearly 1, right? So the only option for c is 1. So that's why when we log a and the base is the same number, it will be equal to 1. I hope you understand. So now we have know that. Let's continue. I forgot to log a first. Okay. So now why is this x? And why is that? That's y. So log a x y equal to what? M plus n. Okay, this is the second part. If x equal to a to the power m, then if I take the log, okay, let me just write it again. X will equal to a multiplied by m. Okay, x equal to a to the power m, y equal to a to the power n. So if you take the log base a of a to the power m, wait, I mean x, this will equal to m. Why? Because we are taking a log base a of a to the power m, and like I said, this and that will cancel each other because they are literally the same base. So why I cannot erase? Never mind lah. Is equal to m. So do this log a y equal to log base a to the power n. Okay. So same thing. This and that cancel, and log a y will just become n. So now we have the information that log a y is n, log a x is m. We can substitute m plus n to the other side. So what is m? M is log a x. Log x base a, and log a y is n, and we got m plus n, and is log a y. So it will be log, wait, is plus log m base a. So that's how you prove the logarithm formula. Are you all clear? Is it clear? Do I need to explain it again? Is everyone okay? Any question you can ask? Can you explain again, please? Sure. Okay. It's okay. It's okay, but from what I also confused like how to prove. So it's a no worry for me. So let me. Why I cannot erase all? Okay, let me try again. I cannot erase. I just write a new one lah. Okay. So we let x equal to a to the power m, and y equal to a to the power n, and log base A x equal to what? This is equal to m, right? Yeah, because the log of the same base is they cancel each other. And log y, when we take a log base A of y, is the same as this. This is just n. Yeah, it's the same principle. So now we have this information, we can start proving. So by the law of indices, a to power m multiply a to power n equal to a to power m plus n. So when we take log by both sides, we take log base A by both sides. Log base A, and this will be log base A. And it's just the same. But look at this, m plus n. This is equal to a to the power m plus n. But it's the same base, so we just cancel each other, we get equal to n plus n. So we will write that on the next line. So log a to the power m times a to the power n equal to m plus n. Okay, so first, what is this? What is a to the power m? Look back is x. So now we have log a of x. And what is a to the power n? Look back, you got is y. So log x y. And look at the m plus n. What is this? What is m again? Look back. Oh, is this? Is log ax. Is log x base a. So this is log x base a plus n. What is n? When we look back, is log y base a. So you prove it again. So this is how you prove it every time. It's very important because sometimes the question will come up, like exam will come up. It come out. Yeah, at the first time I do, I also don't know how to prove, so I leave it blank. Please don't repeat the mistake like me, and remember how to prove this. So I hope you're all clear. Is it clear? Okay. Alright. So now we enough of the start. So now let's get into the question part. We're going to do some questions about the logarithm. Okay, it's okay, we didn't take much quite space. I think I'm going to make a new one for logarithm. No. Okay. I'll refer to your MAT textbook. Oh wait, also the cert. I almost for your cert. Oh my god. The cert. Yeah, the cert. How can I skip cert? Okay, we look at number 7. Number 7. The area of the rectangle is 8 plus cert 10. Well, it's like, wait, let me just go to this. Okay, good. The area of rectangle is x plus cert 10 cm. One of its side has a length of cert 5 plus cert 2 cm. Determine the length of the other right in the form of 8 cert 5 plus b cert 2. So let's draw a rectangle first. Okay. Not logarithm first. We're going to do some questions because I'm afraid some people get problem on their cert. So let's draw a rectangle. And it said one of the side is 8 cert 10, right? 8 plus cert 10. Yeah. It's the area. So the area is 8 plus cert 10. And while the side is cert 5 plus cert 2. Correct? Okay, good. And we need to find this side in the form of A cert 5 plus B cert 2. So how to do it is pretty easy. You just divide this by this. You just simply divide because area of the triangle is just base times height. So don't forget to rationalize after you divide. So we divide first. 8 plus 10 over what? 5 cert 5 plus cert 2. And now the hard part is we need to rationalize. So how to rationalize? We need to find the conjugate. So the conjugate is actually just complete this. This is the conjugate. I mean, not this is not a conjugate, but this is how you find the conjugate. So to get conjugate, if we multiply, we must get this number. We cannot get a square plus b square. We must get a square minus b square. So how we do? You see this a plus b times a minus b. And what is a? Depends. Like in this case, this is a and this is b. So to rationalize this, we just need to find the conjugate of this. The conjugate means the other side. So if your number is this, the conjugate is this. If your number is this, the conjugate is this. So I hope you're clear. I will erase this. Let's start the rationalization. So what we need to divide, we multiply the conjugate. So the conjugate is basically this, but replace the plus with minus. And you need to multiply the top or the bottom too, because they will equal to 1. So this won't change the whole equation. So sub 5 minus sub 2. And the bottom line is sub 5 minus sub 2, the same. 5 minus sub 2. Okay, good. And now is the part where you expand 8 plus sub 10. So 5 minus sub 2. And this will be a square minus b square. What is a? A is sub 5. Sub 5 square is 5. Minus what? B square. B square is sub 2. Sub 2 square is 2. Okay. And then another line. This time we will focus on the top part first. 8 times square root of 5 is 8 sub 5 plus 8 times negative sub 2 is minus 8 sub 2. And this sub 10 multiplied by sub 5 is sub 50. This 2 is not exact. This is 2. Okay. And sub 10 multiplied by sub 2 is negative 20. By the law of sub. If you don't know, it's just 10 times 2, but in the sub. So what's 5 minus 2 is 3. And seems like there is no way to simplify, right? But actually we can. Look at the 50 and 20. They look really big numbers. So let's make them smaller in the form. So look at this 50. What is the factor of 50? We got 2, we got 5 square. And look at the 20. We got 5, we got 4 square. And wait, no. We got 5, we got 2 square, which is 4. And 25 is 5. I think you're confused already. Maybe take it slower. 2, 25. This becomes 5 and 4. And what is 25? 25 is 5 square. Yes, it's exactly what we need. And 24 is 2 square. And look at this, you got nothing. This means that 2 will be inside the square root. And the 5 will be outside the square root. Same as this, the 5 will be inside the square root, 2 will be outside the square root. Why though? Because 5 square, when you square the square root, it just becomes natural. Like square root of 5 square is just 5. So we write that. Copy that part again. Okay, so we know that this is 5 sub 2. 2 will be inside square root, 2 will be inside square root, and 5 will be outside the square root. And for this, the 5 will be inside the square root, and the 2 will be outside the square root. Minus 2 sub 5. And all divide by 3. So this sub 5 sub 5, 8 sub 5 minus 2 sub 5, we got 6 sub 5. And negative 8 sub 2 plus 5 sub 2, we got minus 3 sub 2 divided by 3. And this and that become 2, and this just cancel. So we go to 2 sub 5 minus sub 2. And this is the answer. The textbook answer is this. So clear? Do anyone have a question? Like how to do? Like why use conjugate? Any question? I wish everyone is clear. Alright, move on. We can go to number 8. Okay, number 8 is a triangle. Alright, so we have triangle PQR. Determine the tangent of x. Alright, you know that first. Going to look at the triangle. Okay, so we have 3 sides, 3 root 2 and 1 plus 2 root 2. And this is the angle x. And to find tangent x, we know that tangent is opposite over adjacent because the TOA, Tosoka, I hope you all know that. So to find tangent x, we're just going to look at the opposite over adjacent. But first, I'm going to copy a triangle first. Number 8. Copy a triangle. Okay. X. Okay. This doesn't look like a right triangle, but it's okay lah. I'll take that. So what's the other side again? 3 plus 2. 3 plus 2 cm. And this is 1 plus 2 2 cm. Okay, we need to determine the value of tangent x. So tangent x equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Wait, no, adjacent. Sorry. So what is the opposite? The opposite is this, and the adjacent is this. So equal to the opposite, which is 3 plus root 2 over 1 plus 2 root 2. Okay. So now we just need to rationalize by finding the conjugate. So to find conjugate is the same. Look at this plus. The conjugate is just itself but negative. So 1 minus 2 root 2. 1 minus 2 root 2. So every time you need to rationalize, just do this. 100% it will work. And then I just hope you all don't forget to multiply by the negative. Yeah, the negative. Sometimes you all will careless, and because I did, and I did a lot, and I wish you all didn't repeat the mistake I did. So please do carefully every question. And the bottom, this will be 1 square minus 2 root 2 square, which is 8. Okay, now let's start multiplying. And 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times my negative 2 sub 2 is 6 root 2. And root 2 plus 1 is root 2 plus 1 is root 2. Wait, 1 minus root 2. Okay, good. And the root 2 minus 2 root 2 is 4, right? Yeah, 4. Okay, so this will be divided by negative 7. And 3 minus 4 is 1. So we got negative, and you got negative again. So I'm going to put the negative at the outside first. And then 3 minus 4 is 1. I mean minus 1. And 6 root 2 plus root 2 is negative 5 root 2. And this divided by 7. But look at this negative. The negative multiplied with negative will just become positive. So this is actually 5 root 2 plus 1 over 7. And that's the answer from the textbook. So anything below? Is it all clear from the A part? Alright, since it's clear, I will move on to the B part. Okay, so determine the area of triangle PQR. Right, the answer is the form of P plus Q root 2. So you just need to find a triangle, the area of the triangle. And by the way, the call is about to end. So I set another link at the second, so you all can join from the second link. So for the part B, we need to find the area of this triangle, the area of this. So it's just based on height lah. And don't forget the 1 over 2. 1 over 2 based on height. So it is 1 over 2. Base is what? 1 plus 2 root 2. 1 plus 2 root 2 times height. 3 plus 2. 3 plus root 2. Okay, good. So now it's 1 over 2. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3. 3 plus root 2. 2 root 2 times 3 is 6 root 2. And 2 root 2 plus root 2 is 4. Times root 2 is 4. And we got 7 plus 7 root 2 over 2. So that's the answer from the textbook. Not difficult, right? You just multiply and dividing. Yeah. But there will be a really hard kebab at the end. So I wish you all have. Yeah. It's a really hard kebab about the cert. By the way, now I will finally going to explain the logarithm. Okay. Okay. Where is it? Okay. But when will the meeting end? 11 minutes. Okay. Given log 5 log 3 5 log 3 base 5 is 0.683 and log 7 base 5 is 1.209. Without using a calculator or 4-figure table, calculate log 1 base 5 and log 75 base 7. Okay, I already copied the question already. So now let's just solve it. So we have what? This is intensive practice 4.3 page 121 for your mathematics. At math textbook. So log 5 log 3 base 5 equal to 0.683 and log 7 base 5 equal to 1.209. And from the question we have two parts. Even though it didn't give us, we still count in two parts. So the first, what is log
one
1
base
base
5?
5?
Okay,
Okay,
so first
so
we
first
have
we have
log
log
1 base
1 base
5,
5,
and the
and the
second we
second
have
we have
log of
log
what?
of what?
Log
Log
of
of
75 base
75
7.
base 7.
Okay, now
Okay,
we
now
look
we
at A
look at
first.
A first.
Look at this
Look at
A.
this A.
Okay,
Okay,
so
so
log
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 log of
log
1
of
of
1
base
of
5.
base 5.
Okay, so we
Okay, so we
expect this
expect this
to be
to be
C.
C.
Look at
Look at the.
so
So
I want to
I
tell you
want to tell
that
you that this is
this is
actually
actually
a
one
one
of the
of the
law of
law
the
of a
logarithm.
logarithm.
Anything to the
Anything to the
power of
power of
any,
any,
even
even
though
though
no matter
no
what
matter
base
what
are
base
you,
are you,
if
if
the
the
if
if
the
the,
the thing
the
you want
thing you
to
want
take
to
the
take
log
the
of
log
is
of is
1,
1,
it will be
it will be
0.
0.
Why?
Why?
Okay,
Okay,
know that
know that
log
log
a
A
log
log
a
A
b
B
equal to
equal to
c,
C,
a
A
divided by
divided by
c
C
equal to
equal to
b.
B.
Okay, so
Okay,
now
so now
we
we
compare
compare
the
the
5,
5,
the a
the
is
A
5
is 5,
and the
and the
b
B
is
is
1.
1.
Okay, so
Okay,
what
so
is
what is
c?
C?
Based on
Based
law
on law
indices,
indices,
what can the
what can
number
the
of
number
c
of
be,
C be,
so that
so that
so that
so that
the
the
so that
so that
this could
this
be
could be
1.
1.
So
So
based on law
based on law
indices,
indices,
anything to
anything
power
to power
0 is
0
1,
is
right?
1, right?
Yes.
Yes.
So
So
there
there
is
is
only
only option only
one
one
option from
option
c,
from C,
which is
which is
0.
0.
So 5
So
to the
5
power
to power
0 is
0 is
1.
1.
So that's
So that's
why
why
anything
anything
log
log
anything
anything
1
1
equal to
equal to
0,
0,
no matter
no
base
matter
what.
base what.
Yes,
Yes,
yes, you're
yes, you're
correct.
correct.
A to the
A
power
to the
0
power
equal
0
to
equal to
1.
1.
Yes,
Yes,
it is.
it is.
So
So
see, so
see, so 1
0 become
0
the only
become the only
option
option
when
when
log base
log
of
base of
anything
anything
is 1.
is 1.
No matter
No
base
matter base
10,
10,
base
base
12,
12,
base
base
100,
100,
anything,
anything,
it just
it just
becomes
becomes
0.
0.
So
So
we can
we
write
can
this
write this
as
as
0.
0.
Okay, so
Okay, so
b.
B.
So now
So
this
now this
log
log
75 base
75 base
7.
7.
Okay, this is
Okay,
getting
this is
pretty
getting pretty
complicated,
complicated,
but we
but we
immediately know
immediately
that
know that
75
75
is
is
2 times
2 times
25.
25.
Wait, it's
Wait, it's
3.
3.
3 times
3 times
25.
25.
And
And
25 is
25
5
is 5
square, right?
square, right?
But
But
first,
first,
not so
not so
fast.
fast.
Take it
Take
slow
it slow
first.
first.
Plus
Plus
log
log
7
7
5
5
square.
square.
So
So
when we have
when we
this,
have this,
when we
when
have
we have
the
the
power,
power, we just
we can
we can
pindah,
pin that,
we can
we
move
can
it to
move
the
it to the
front of
front
the
of
log.
the log.
So
So
this will
this will
be
be
log
log
3 log 7
log
base
7 base
3
3
plus
plus
2
2
log
log
plus 2
plus
log
2 log
7
7
base 5.
base 5.
I mean
I
2
mean
log
2
5
log
base
5 base
7.
7.
Okay,
Okay,
so now
so
we are
now we are
really
really
close.
close.
What the
What the
question give?
question give?
2 log
2 log
7 base
7 base
5,
5,
but we
but
have
we have
2 log
2
5
log
base
5 base
7.
7.
Never
Never
mind,
mind,
we still
we
have
still
one
have
way,
one way,
which
which
is
is
this
this
log
log
a
A
b
B
equal
equal
to
to
1
1
over
over
log
log
b
B
a.
A.
Look at
Look
this,
at this,
we
we
exchange
exchange
the,
the,
we have
we
solved
have
the place
solved the place
already.
already.
So how
So
this
how
work,
this
I'm going
work,
to
I'm going
explain
to
right
explain
now.
right now.
With this
With this
formula,
formula,
so
so
now
now we're just going to substitute A to be B.
we're going to
We're going to
substitute
substitute
a with
A
b.
with B.
So
So
uh,
uh,
I want
I
to
want to
change the
change
log
the log
a to
A
log
to log
b,
B,
the log
the
base
log
a
base
to
A
log
to
base
log base
b.
B.
So
So
log
log
base
base
b
B of B
divide
divide
log
log
base
base
b
B
of
of
a.
A.
Am I
Am I
correct?
correct?
I think
I
it's
think
B
it's B
first,
first,
not A
not A
first. Why
first.
I
Why I
always write
always
this
write this
incorrect one?
incorrect one?
Okay,
Okay,
so now look
so
at
now look
this.
at this.
It's the
It's the
same
same
again.
again.
The log
The
f
log F
anything,
anything,
base
base
anything,
anything,
they are the
they are the
same. So
same.
this will
So this
equal
is
to
equal to
1.
1.
I'm going to
I'm
write
going
this
to
as
write this
1.
as 1.
So now we
So
have
now we
proved
have
it.
proved it.
We prove
We
it.
prove it. that log AB is equal to 1 over log A base B. You swap the base. So we do it here. We apply it here. Okay. This log 73 is none of our business. And then we need to swap this log 7 base 5. Okay, we got what we wanted. Now we just need to convert everything to base 5. Look at this, base 5. Convert everything to base 5. So for this, we're finally using the log CA over log CB1. Log CB over log CA. So base 5 and log 7 base 5 plus 2 over this 2 times 1 is 1 and 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. Log 5 base 7. And then we have 2 plus what? 0.683. It will be just 2.683, right? 2.683. Okay. Divide by the log 7 base 5. 1.209. Now, even though the question don't want us to use calculator, but who's watching? We're going to use it anyway. Yeah, you just use calculator, don't worry. No one will scold you. So 2.683 over 1.289. Two zero nine.
You get
Okay. Pretty funny. 2.683 divided by 1.09. I get to left the meeting. Okay, you get 2.219. 2.219. That's the answer. Okay. Actually, it's pretty weird. How can you solve this without calculator? Okay, next. Oh. Okay, we go to number 5 already. Okay, so number 5. Given log 10x, log x base 10 equal to 2, and log y base 10 equal to negative 1. Prove that xy minus 100 y squared equal to 9. Okay, this is pretty simple. It just directly, this question is direct. Two. This is number 5. Okay, so log x base 10 is what? Is 2, right? If I didn't forget, it's 2. Okay. Okay, what is this? Log y base 10 is negative 1. Okay, so with this information, we need to prove xy minus 100y, right? Minus 100 y square equal to 9. 9. Okay, good. So we have this. Now we just need to write this in the form of x and y, in the terms of x and y. Now look at this first. This is x. X equal to 10 square, which is 100. And look at this. 10 to the negative 1. 10 to the negative 1 equal to y. So y equal to cos 1.1. Okay. Similarly, the 10 square equal to x. This is how the logarithm works. Okay. So now we have both number already. We just need to substitute everything into here lah. So very simple. X is 100. Y is 0.1 minus 100 y square 0.1 square equal to 9. So look at this. What is this? 100 times 0.1 is become 10 already, and minus 100 times 0.1 square. 0.1 is 0.1 square is 0.01. So multiply by 100, you just get 1. So this equal to 9. And we get 9 is equal to 9. So we just prove that. And just say proof proven. Okay. Alright. So any question for this? Any problem? Do anyone don't understand? Alright. Looks like yours is okay. So let's move on to the next question. Okay, number 8. Oh wait, we do number 7 first. Actually number 6 first. Log 2 5 base m. Okay. Number 6. Every question got different type of got different concepts, so I have to do every single question to let you know. Okay, double check. Log 5 7 is p. Now we need to express log 5 4.9. Log 5 4.9 equal to what? So before I do, anyone have any idea about how this question to do? Like how to do this question? Anyone have suggestion? How to start? Anyone know? Alright, it's fine. I understand. But first, you look at this 49. It looked pretty similar to something square, which is 0.7. But, I mean, it's 49. But 7 is 7 square. 49 is 7 square. But it's divided by 10. So we can write the 49 as what? 49 over 10. No difference. 49 divided by 10 is 4.9. The same thing. So now, based on the law of logarithm, log A, I write it again. Okay. M over N. This just equal to log M base A minus minus
log
log n base a. So by this we write this as log 5 49 minus log 5 of 10. So what is 49? 49 is 7 square. So we can write this as 2 log 5 2 log 7 base 5 because it's 7 square, but you move the 2 to the front, so it's the same thing. Okay, so now let's look at this. This 10 can be further simplified into 5 times 2. And based on law of logarithm, we will actually need to plus. So 5 base 7 minus plus log 5 log 2 base 5. Alright? So look at this. This is 1. Like I said many times already. This is 1. The base is same as the number. This is 1. So this is another number. So we will write that minus 1 plus log 5 log 2 base 5. So this is equal to 2 log 5 base 7 minus log 5 base 2 minus 1. And then we check back. What is x, what is y again? Oh, it's m and p. So log 2 base 5 is m. Okay, so this is m. We got m here. But first one is log 7 base 5. It's p. So go to 2p minus m minus 1. That's the answer from textbook. So anyone got a question? This is the overall step. Anyone have questions about why I do the step? Anyone? Alright. Let's continue to the number 7. Okay. Simplify this. 2x plus 1 base 2 minus x squared base 4 5x squared base 4 plus 4 times log x base 2. Okay. Seven log 2x plus 1 minus 5 square log base 5 log 4 x square. Right? Okay. Plus 4 log x. Okay. Alright, it's correct. So let's solve it. Okay. So now look at this. The base. This is 2. This is 2. But this is 4. We don't want the 4. So but first we're going to simplify the everything first by putting everything at the front. So let's do this. This will just remain the same. And this log 4, the x squared will be 2 multiplied by 5, which is 10. And this will be x to the power of 4. Okay, so now this we need to do the change base thing. Change base formula. 2x plus 1 minus. So log 2, the a is this, the b is this, divide the log 2 of 4. Log 2 of 4 is 2, but we will do that at the next line. Okay, so now we write this again. And this just 2 means 1 over 2 log 2 x power 10, not 16, 10 plus log 2 x to the power 4. Yeah. And we write this again. Okay, look at this. 1 over 2, where we put that is actually the square root. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. We just write 5 again. So log 2 x5, x to the power 5 plus log 2 x power 4. Okay, so this looks very good now. Because everything is base 2, we can finally use the laws of logarithm by dividing by this, multiply by this. Very simple. So now, log 2, a big bracket, 2x plus 1, multiply by what? Multiply by x power 4. Because it's plus, and for the minus part, we just divide x to the power 5th. So look at this, this cancel, just become x. And we need to simplify in the simplest form. So this will be just 2x divided by 2 is 2 plus 1 over x. And that's it. There's no more simplification. Don't look at this 2 and 2 here. You can do nothing about it. And remember there is still the changing base working step can write separately, right? To prevent mess. Yes, I prefer you can write separately because if you skip too much step, it actually confuses you more than yourself. You confuse yourself more than the teacher does. So I prefer you to write more steps. If you think you're really good, like you're getting hand on it, you can start to skipping step and start save some time. But if you not really good at math, I prefer you just write the step. Because if you skip, sometimes you make mistake and then you skip the very important step and then you lose mark also. Yeah. So separate write the steps separately is actually a really good idea to prevent mistake. By the way, this is the answer from the book. And don't forget, we still have one K-bar question. Really hard, really difficult. Maybe this could be okay. Before we go to number 5, let's look at number 4 first. Number 4 is really fun. Look at this PD2 already. Okay, so look at this. If log a base x plus log 1 over a base x equal to t, what is the possible value of t? Okay, let me copy this first. So x here plus x here 4 over a equal to t. So it asks us the possible values. Why he specified the s for t. So any idea from this? At the first sight, what do you think about? At the first sight, actually, the first time you see this, you'll be thinking like, how do you do this? This is like impossible. There is no way you can simplify. But first, everything is under this control. Why this is weird? Because it is not a. It's the reciprocal of a. And when reciprocal, we know that this is just a to the power negative 1, right? And when negative 1, we put the side. So this plus become negative already. So it will just become from 1 over a become negative log a base x. And look at that. This is the same. And don't forget this is equal to t. So t equal to 0 lah. That's the answer. Very shocking. T is equal to 0. So sometimes the question may look pretty, may trick you lah. Like this simple only, one step done.
But
if you didn't give some critical thinking, actually even some simple question you're unable to solve. So we need to think about our concept, like really we need to get really know about our concept, really comfortable about it. Okay, so now the K-pop part. I need a new note for this. Okay, look at this, number 5. Okay, this is EP5, that's why I choose this. The diagram below show 3 circles. Circle A had radius of 2, and circle B had radius of 1. PQ is the common tangent of all circles touching one another. Find the radius of small circle. We need to find this circle right here. So I don't want to draw, so I'm going to screenshot this. Very simple. Okay. Now this is really difficult to explain, but I will try my best to let you all understand what's happening right here. So from the question, we know that this circle A has a radius of 2. So we can do this is 2, and B has a radius of 1. This is 1. And now we have 2 lines. What do? We need to find the radius of this small circle. How do we do? We have only 2 radius, and we need to find this small radius with this less information. But it's actually possible. First, we connect the 2 lines. We get 3 here. And then we're going to connect this from here. Connect this from this to this. Okay. I know it's not straight line, but yeah. Okay. So now, look at this. My pen is too thick. Okay. If I connect this to this, the radius of this. Not the radius. Okay, let's say this is the radius. This is R. This is R. The radius of the small circle. Okay, I draw the small circle big. Okay, this is the small circle. This is R. And this will be also R. Right? So this is R. But this is 2. This 2 collide with this circle. This line will become 2 plus R. This line become 2 plus R. I wish I could expand the... How to expand? I wish I could expand this. Yeah. Sad though. Okay. But never mind. This line will be 2 plus R. And this will be 1 plus R. And when I draw this triangle, we need to compare this blue line with this purple line. So how do we do that? First, we need to look at this. This is 2 plus R. This from this to this. Okay. There must be a way, right? Okay, I just draw a random circle lah. Okay, use sketch circle. Okay. Alamak. Never mind lah. I will freehand draw a circle. Okay, this will be a circle. Oh my god. Circle A. The circle B here. The small circle here. Okay. So this is 2. This is 1. And we're gonna let that this is R. that this is R. The radius of small circle is R. Okay, so this is 1. And when I connect this to this, okay, so this is 2. And this small part,
okay,
you see a small part?
this
This is R. So this will be 2 plus R. And this is 1. And when I connect to this is 1. And look at the small part. This is R plus R. So far you understand? Yeah, same. I hope this question won't come in your exam. You understand? 1 plus R. Okay, good. Now I'm going to draw a line from this connect to this. Also same as this connect to this. Okay, so look at this. This is R. This is 2. This is R. So what is this? This is 2 minus R, right? And the same as this. This is R. This will be 1 minus R. Okay. This will be 1 minus R. And now we have two triangle here. If you didn't see, we have 2 right angle triangle. I'm going to use different color because it will be very blur. I'm afraid you're blur. This is the first triangle here. Oh my god. The first triangle here. And the second triangle here. Okay. Can you all see 2 triangles? Okay, good. So now I'm going to draw the line from here. This side. Why I need to draw this line? Because I need to find this side. This length. I don't know how to find this length. So if I draw from here to here, this is 1. And this is R. So this will be 1 plus R, right? Hold up. This will be 1 plus R. Oh yeah, wait. I'm sorry. This is the length we are finding. So that's why we are not sure. Okay, so this is the line we are finding. So now we're going to find the orange line. We know we have 2 sides already. We have 2 sides confirmed. But we have 1 side off. But first, what is this line? This purple line. Look at this purple line. By the Pythagoras theorem, if this is 2, if this is 2, and this is 1, and this line, what is the difference? What is the difference between this? This will be 1, right? Anyone to understand why this is 1? Anyone got question about this? I'm saying that when I connect the line from here to here, and then I draw the line, this will be 1. The difference of this will be 1. Understand? Understood. Alright. So since this is 2, this is 1. When we add the other, we got 3, right? So together, this will be 3. Understood? I'm going to confirm every step because it's getting really complicated. This is 3. This is 1. And to find this, use the Pythagoras theorem. 3 square minus 1 square equal to 9 minus 1 equal 8. Okay, so 8. Good. Now we know that this is cert 8. This is cert 8. I'm gonna remove this red line also because it's getting really complicated. But at least we know that the green line plus the red line equal to square root of 8. Understand? Now we need to solve the equation so that this line and this line is square root of 8. Anyone know why square root of 8? We use the Pythagoras theorem. Understand, right? Okay, good. Alright. So now, how to find the base of this line? Same, Pythagoras theorem. So a square plus b square equals c square. So we need to find a square. This is just 2 plus r square minus 2 minus r square, right? So 2 plus r square minus 2 minus r square. So because this is a, look at this, we are finding the side, not the square of the side. So we need to put square root. Square root is important. If we didn't put the square root, we lost the mark. 2 plus r square minus, what is this again? 2 minus r square. Also don't forget the square root. We are finding the side, not the square of the side. So plus the red side, 1 plus r square minus 1 minus r square. And this is equal to the square root of 8. Okay, so let me expand this myself. Very long bracket. So r square plus 2 r square plus 4r plus 4 minus r square minus 4r plus 4 not equal lah, plus. Okay. The same, r square plus 2r plus 1 minus forgot. We need the bracket. R square minus 2r plus 1. And all that equal to cert 8. Yes, it's complicated but really fun. I can admit. So compare. Finally, the cancel part. This and that cancel. The minus become plus, but and the plus 4 and minus plus 4 cancel. So what we left in this, we got 8r in this square root. And then what we left in that square root? Plus. Okay, so those r square cancel, 1 and 1 cancel, minus become plus. So square root of 8r plus square root of 4r equals square root of 8. Square root of 8r plus square root of 4r equal square root of 8. Now we square root both sides. Cube. I mean square. We square both sides. Sorry. We square both sides. So this will be 8r plus 2 multiplied by 8r and then 4r plus 4r square, which is just 4r. And what we get from the 8, we just 8 lah. So this and that add up, become 12 r plus, and then 8 times 4 is 32. Don't forget the square root. And r times r becomes r square already. So equal to 8. Remember, this r is the radius of the small circle. So look at this, from big bracket to just this. Yeah, pretty much very big cancellation. So now 12r plus 2r, this r square I can get out from 2r, become root 32 equal to 8. Oh, look at this. This is just r already, only r. But first, I'm going to simplify the square root of 32 first. We know that 32 is 2 times 16. So 2 times 16 equal to 8. So the 16 is equal to 4 square. So Another 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. So factorize r out. Finally, divide both sides by this thing. R equal to 8 over 12 plus 8 so 2. That's the answer. The radius of small circle is this. And yeah, it's really complicated. So the idea of this question is we need to compare. We need to compare this side with this side with the sum of the orange line and the red line. Understand?
Are you
Are you all okay? Any questions about this?
Is it
Is it clear? Alright. If it's clear for you, then I will end the class for today. It's okay if you come with an exam, haha. Yeah, if you come with an exam, just do exactly what I did. Compare the side, like the sum of the side. This, where you get, do Pythagoras theorem. So, the first, you do Pythagoras theorem. 3 square minus 1 equal to 8, so 8. And then the second, you construct these two triangles. And then compare with the radius of the r. And write in terms of the r. With that, you will find that you have one side less, and you need to use the Pythagoras theorem to find the side. And when you add the two sides you get from two different radius, two different circle, end up you'll get the same answer. So if you all still don't understand, you can DM me lah. You can private message me in Telegram or WhatsApp. So I hope it's fair for you, and I will end this class for today. So thank you all for joining. Yeah, it's really fun. Alright. Thank you very much. I will end this class now.